friends, welcome to my channel. It's Rachel here, and today I'm making a little mini book, mini album, memory album, you know, whatever you want to call it. It's very, very easy to do. I think I've done this once or twice on my channel, on my YouTube channel before, and it's really easy and really fun to do. So I have all of these cut aparts from Simple Stories, Baking Spirits Bright, and Mix and Mingle that I got from Scrapbook Nerd. And I actually did a lot of prep that I'm doing for my Christmas crafting for December daily and such, but just a lot of prep for December crafting in general. And one of those things was to cut all of my cut aparts out so they would be ready and handy for me to use. I am hosting a class with Fleur, who's also on the Scrapbook Nerd design team. Her and I are hosting a class together called Holiday Mix and Mingle. And I'll put, you can find links. The links are out there. I'll put the link down below if you want to join us. It's happening all month long, and we're doing lots of crafts and lessons and giveaways. And we had a swap already. The class, by this time of this video going up, the class would have already started. So the swap has already happened. But we're doing a lot of fun things like that. So if you want to join, come join. But one of the things that I did was to prep my supplies. So all of these cards were cut out already. I just had to go through them and pick which ones I like best. And so I thought, well, mostly that I would be okay with covering up, let's be real, because I'm not using these cards like as traditional, just like filler cards in an album. I am covering a lot of things up. So I want to make sure that I'm okay with that, okay with covering things up on the card. And although I love these cards so much, I have so many cards to use that I'm not afraid to like use a couple. So anyway, I am starting to embellish these cards now. And when we put this album together, we're going to use little rings that you can just get from Amazon or whatever. And that's what's going to hold the album together. And on the flip side of each card, you can put a photo. So in this video, I did not put photos, but know that it is an option for you to document your memories. So I'm probably going to give this as a gift, and the recipient can do whatever they want with it. It'd be great if they used it as a photo album, but they can also take the book apart and use the cards themselves in an album. So there are different things they can do with them. They don't have to use it the way that I intended it. Of course, it's their gift, a gift for them, so they can use it however they want, but there are a couple of options. So you can use these in like 6x8 albums in the little pockets, or 9x12 or 12x12 albums in the 3x4 little pockets, and put pictures or whatever. So I'm just using this as a base, and hopefully that helps to give you some inspiration and ideas of either gifts for your friends and family that is like affordable and handmade, and special at the same time. If you wanted to print their pictures out and put them on in the album, I think that's a really, really special and lovely gift. So here I'm taking one of the tags, and I'm going to use that as some layering pieces. I would have wanted to do more sewing beforehand, but I forgot, and I only sewed on a few, but that's okay. So I'm using a lot of the chipboard from these collections, and I think these two Simple Stories collections are just so adorable. I love them. Let me check right now on my phone here what's left as of this day of recording of these two collections on the Scrapbook Nerd website. So Baking Spirits. I want to know what collections you all are using. I've been reading your comments on my videos, and I'm really excited to see everyone's projects, and so I appreciate you sharing what you're doing for your December daily and what collections you're using. I love reading those. Yeah, so they have, Scrapbook Nerd has a lot of the Baking Spirits Bright collection still available, actually a really good amount, so that's definitely an option. And then Mix and Mingle. Oh, these collections are just so adorable. So adorable. I love them so much. Yeah, they have Mix and Mingle as well in stock. Most of it. There are a couple things that aren't there, but otherwise they have most in stock. So get it in your hands now before it's too late, or stock up for next year or whatever, because these collections, they're my favorite in a long time. In many years of Christmas collections, they are definitely some of my favorites. And I promise I'm not just saying that. They're so cute. I love baking. So Baking Spirits Bright to me is just so cute. And I can't wait to use it in my December daily album with all of the baking I'm going to do. I'm so excited for that. And then Mix and a Mingle. The colors are like retro and fun. And the typography is really fun as well. And like, I don't know, just so cute. Not cute. Cute's not the right word. It's not even cute. It's like, it's cute, but it's like eccentric. Is that the right word? I don't know. There's something just so special and unique about this collection that we don't see in other brands. So I'm excited about both of these collections, and they go together well. As you can see, I'm using both of these collections interchangeably. I'm not just focusing on one. I'm using them both. I think they go together just fine. So yeah, also on these pages, you could leave room for journaling for your recipient or for yourself if you want to document the memories that way, and have like your photo on one side and then the journaling on the other. Sorry, my brain stopped for a moment. On this one, I actually used a handmade embellishment that I made in the holiday mix and mingle class that I was talking about in the beginning. I did a video where I prep for December daily and prep for December crafting and just all my Christmas prep. And one of the things I did was I made some handmade embellishments so that when the time comes around to document my Christmas memories, I have handmade embellishments made and ready and easy. And although I didn't use it for my December album, I used it for this, which made completing this page so easy, and I think it looks really cute. It fits so perfectly on there, and it looks like it was meant to be on that page. And I actually do add another card in that I made for the Preppin' for the Holidays crop that was for Scrapbook Nerd. A couple weeks ago, I prepped some cards with tags on them, and I actually put that in this album because I saw them on my desk and I was like, this would be perfect in this little book. So I did that. Something you could do to make the presentation a little nicer is on the back sides, just add some pattern paper. I might do that when I gift it just to make it look a little nicer. You'll see that shortly that it definitely could use that. Just because that page looks nice with the pattern on the other side, but some of the pages are white and some of them just don't look completely right. So I'm just cutting the holes here to insert them. That's the card from the challenge from the crop from that video. That video's up on YouTube if you want to watch that. If you're looking for some Christmas, holiday, December inspiration, those are there. I am adding a tassel to this. My choice was either between this light pink one or the black one, black and white one. And I do go with the black and white one, even though I do think the light pink one looks better. It didn't have like a hoop through it to put it on the book, and I just didn't have the time today to do all of that, even though it would take no time at all. I just was going the easy route this time around, and I still love how it looks, so nothing wrong with that. But here are some close-ups. So yeah, I would definitely either put a picture or just some cardstock pattern paper on the left-hand side for the photo. But that is my album. Links will be down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!